Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to GFX Mysteries. I'm your mysterious teacher. I hope you guys are doing great. So we are going to make a social awareness poster today, and it is about water saving. We all know the issue of water is very critical in our world, and it is something very serious because water is very important in our lives. In fact, life cannot be possible without water. So we'll address this matter by making a beautiful design, by making a social awareness poster. So let's start. I have taken the 3 multiplied by 4 inches canvas, and I have put resolution of 300 pixel per inch. You may increase the resolution to get optimum results. So let's start. I'm deleting this, and first of all I am dragging this image and putting it on my Photoshop, and I want to use this image as a background because the water effect will look great on this poster, this awareness poster. So I have expanded it by pressing Alt and dragging. I will do it again. I will press Ctrl Z for undo, and now I am pressing Alt and I will drag it to a side to canvas, and it will expand. So transforming complete. So there is an issue that this splash is too much visible, and I want to blur it a little bit. So I'll take lasso tool and I'll make a rough selection of this splash, and I have almost made a selection. So now I'll go to filter and I'll go to blur, and I'll apply the Gaussian blur on it, and 3.1 pixels is looking great. My result has been achieved. So now I'll go to this tab and I'll drag it to the Photoshop. I'll resize it a little bit. I think this is good, and now I'll place here. I don't want this unnecessary part, and I'll place here. So I am putting it as rule of third place. This is the intersection point. Now an issue is there that these drops are too much white, so I have to address this issue, and I am selecting these drop by pressing shift. I am selecting this too. This tiny drop is also selected. Now I'll make a copy by pressing Ctrl plus J. This layer has been copied. Now I'll change this layer mode to the multiply, and I want to blend it. I want to make it like background. So I'll take another copy of this layer. I'll press Ctrl plus J. I'll press another Ctrl plus J, and I think now it is looking great, and it is blended with our tab. Now I'll make a composite of all these layer. I'll press Ctrl plus E, and a composite layer has been formed. I'll make it smart object. So after that I want to create an effect of splash, a tiny splash, or we may say a dip effect here, that water is being dropped here. So I will take this image and put it on my Photoshop. I will resize it and make it a little. I think this is good. This is great. I will put it here. Now I'll mask it, and by clicking on mask I have selected foreground color to black and painting the black on mask and hiding this all unnecessary part. I just need a dip effect, and I am hiding all unnecessary part by painting on this. that's completely fine, looking great. I just need a blending mode which will keep it on beautiful place. I have changed it to luminosity, and I just low opacity to, I think 72% is looking great. So till now it is looking great. I'm just positioning it a little bit upper. It is looking great here. So now I will put this UNICEF logo on my image, my poster, and I'll resize it. Now you are wondering that why I am using UNICEF, because the water issue is not in the domain of UNICEF. I know that it is not in the domain of UNICEF, but I don't know appropriate channel, appropriate organization which is dealing with water issue. So I have just used UNICEF logo. You may use any appropriate organization. So I am changing this UNICEF logo to linear burn because I want to blend it with the background. It will look good. So now the logo has been placed. I have placed it in the center. Now I'll put the text and save water, save lives. This text I am copying, Ctrl+C, and now I'll put it here, Ctrl+V, save water, save lives, and I'm selecting it and making it a little bigger. I think 16 is good. 16 is good, and I want to change its color to white. That's good, looking great. I want to put some emphasis on water, so I am just selecting the water and changing its color to the our logo color, and make this color to water. So I changed the color of water a little down, looking great. It is on rule of third. Now I want to make a footer here, so I'll just make a new layer and I'll select this area, and I have this color, this logo color is in the foreground. Let me make it a little darker, and I'll place it by Alt plus backspace. I have placed the foreground color. Now I will put my text, which is our facebook.com UNICEF, Ctrl+C, and I will put it here. So it is too much big. Let me make it smaller. I think 8 will be good. I think 6 will be good, or I may change it to 5, and let me change its color to white. So this font is not looking great, so for that I am going to change this font to the 2-step down. I mean 2-step down will look great. If I select facebook.com UNICEF, I have selected the font on save water, save lives. I have used the Gotham black. So now I am going to use the Gotham book, 2-step down Gotham book on my footer, and I think it will look great. Yes, it is looking great. I am using small alphabets, and that's looking great. Perfect, looking perfect. So from here I am expediting my video and placing other things here. So our poster is ready and it is looking great. Try this, try some social awareness poster, try something different, try something beautiful. So we'll meet you in next class. I hope you guys like this class, and if you like this class, you must subscribe this channel for other videos and for different kind of interesting stuff. So we'll meet in next class. Bye bye, tata.